This is one out of many tutorials that is to be posted to the backup channel for computer science videos. In this tutorial, the question is, how do I forward an email as an attachment on Gmail using a Mac computer? Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Gmail. We can start the tutorial. So now let's go over to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, search for this, enter to open up the alternative web browser. Let's now go to the top right corner, go to Gmail, and make sure that you are signed into the account. Now, what we will do is go within Inbox, select an email of our choice, and then click on More. This will allow us to forward the email as an attachment. Let's now type in the recipient, and the recipient will be ourselves. Computer Science Videos business@gmail.com. The subject will be forwarded email. Dear CSV, please see the forwarded email. Kind regards, CSV. Let's now click on send. This should have now been sent to ourselves, and there we have it on screen, the forwarded email. Let's now click on this. This will then open up in a brand new window as part of that email, which says, Dear CSV, I hope that this email finds you well. This is an email to myself, kind regards, CSV, that was sent 7 days ago. So we can now quit Google Chrome, leave the site. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.